Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to empty the dust compartment in Xiaomi Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner Pro. So as you guys see, I already have the cleaner on my table, and all I'm gonna do, just make sure to press it like that to take it out. And as you see, I already have the dust compartment, and all you need to do, there's the lock symbol and unlock symbol. Just gently press it to the right, and as you see, all you need to do, just empty it, just throw the rest of the dust into the trash, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.